ẹ̀yin tèmi mo rí fídíò tí Lẹ́gẹ́ Miami ṣe tó ń gbé àwọn èèyàn ṣépè all because bó nífẹ̀ẹ́ K1 The Ultimate ó ń ṣépè fáwọn èèyàn pé anybody tó bá condemn nǹkan tí K1 ṣe yẹn àbẹ́ anybody tó bá try láti correct ẹ̀ tó sàn ṣépè tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ fatafata I was like well education ò ń ṣe scam make I no lie you my people but ìgbà tí K1 wá padà jáde tó wá ṣe apology video láti express concern wọn àti regret tó ní lórí action tó take yẹn then I now realize wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn míì tó ń sọ pé àwọn nífẹ̀ẹ́ èèyàn ó dàbí pé ìfẹ́ yẹn lè má dẹnu because wọ́n fẹ́ tìyàn pa ni yes àti pé ọlọ́gbọ́n a lè fi wé ẹni tí ò gbọ́n ọlọ́rọ̀ dẹ̀ ló máa mọ nǹkan tí òun ń ṣe because at the end of the day ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ náà ni ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn máa padà kángun sí. Ẹ bá mi subscribe sí Yakult TV, ẹ bá mi like kẹ̀dẹ̀ comment, ẹ bá mi share. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àní ṣìṣe àní ṣìwà àní ṣìlẹ̀tẹ̀ kò ní bàjẹ́ fún yín. Let's go.
Marshal, also known as K1 The Ultimate. I am here to make clarification of the incident that happened on the 5th of August 2025 at Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport local wing while about to board aircraft from Abuja to Lagos. The incident is highly regrettable because I have contributed the better part of my life in the past 50 years to the growth and development of Nigeria, my country, art and culture, both in and out of the country. I've been a good ambassador of this great nation, in and out, in very many ways. Somebody like me should not be found in such incidents. I accept responsibility and appealing to Mr. President, the country, the Honorable Minister for Aviation, the FAAN, the NCAA, and my fans across the globe to please pardon my behavior. Number one, I passed through 2 checkposts and the content of my cup was screened. Need to say I have any content in the cup. Until I got to the lounge while awaiting the boarding of the aircraft, I pour water in it because of my health situation. I need to be sipping water because I'm dehydrated, as recommended by doctor to me. Like I said, I take full responsibility of all incidents. Once again, I seek forgiveness from Mr. President, the Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who is also my father and father of the nation, the Honorable Minister for Aviation, the pilot, the airline staff, passengers, and above all, my fans across the globe, my family, for the incident. My love for the country is unshakable. I am still the darling ambassador of our nation, and I'll continue to carry the banner of this great country everywhere all my life. Thank you once again. Please accept my apology.